Good morning, guys. It's Jared with Action Glass. Got something a little bit bigger than our normal build. A 2015 Peterbilt 579 for a local trucking company out of Mass. The vehicle got a full Whelen upfit along with underglow lighting and then flood lighting in the back, and along with some added turn signals along the side of the steps. So in the front we got 4 Whelen M4s. Been set up kind of in a crisscross pattern. As we go down to the side, we've added a 6-inch tall turn signal. It's amber to the front and red to the rear. That does have running light function as a parking light, just however the truck's not on, so I wouldn't be able to hear you. You wouldn't be able to hear me. There's more look at that turn signal. As we open the wheel well, you can see the rock lights that we've installed. There's a total of 22 rock lights along this vehicle, and more there under the front bumper. Well, you're going to attach more photos of the vehicle at night so you can see the rock lighting effects. As you go along to the side, we have 3 Whelen T-Series ions, 1 there in the vent pocket, and 2 along the chrome trim using the chrome bezels to make everything blend in nice. And again, the running lights aren't on just because the truck's off. As we go up to the top, we have another T-Series in amber, another T-Series on the back, and then we have a floodlight on each side from Strobes or more. These floodlights are 5,000 lumens apiece, which absolutely light up the back of the area so the driver can see where he's backing into. As we come along to the back, you see another shot of those T-Series on tops and the floodlights. Sorry about the plane going over. On the corner of the rear T-bar, we've installed 2 ion T-Series in amber. Flash simultaneously. Down in the plate section, 2 more T-Series. And over here, 2 more T-Series. I'll show you some more of those rock lights to light up the back of the truck down there. Now look at the turn signals on this side, the red function to the rear. Then under each step, we've installed 2 turn signals under every step. Another look at that floodlight and that T-Series up top. As we come down, you can see the red shining out of the tank. There's 3 underglow lights on each side of the sleeper. It lights up the tanks really nice, and like I said, we'll put some pictures in the comments below of the truck at night. Another shot of the T-Series right there. Again, more rock lights under here. And the same setup in the wheel wells on this side. Big build for us. A lot of man hours in it. A lot of time, especially with the heat the past week. There's another look at the front and the turn signals going, and our Whelen M4 series. So guys, as you see here, anything from F-150s to semis, we can do it. Full lighting upgrades. Whether it just be running lights and Whelen or anything that you can think of, we can do it. Thanks. Have a great day.